Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we'll see how we can create a lead gen campaign inside the TikTok ads account. So let's have a look at this. So once we are inside the account, we can start building out a new campaign. And this time the objective of it would be leads. So leads generation would be basically for B2B kind of businesses where the users come to our website and we ask them to fill up a form. So that is what we want to drive over here. So we can choose lead generation. Now, when you select lead generation, TikTok will give you two options, which is two types of campaigns. One is a manual campaign where you are going to set up everything. The other one is a Smart Plus campaign, which is an automated campaign where majority of the targetings are controlled by TikTok algorithm, and they will decide where to show our ads to generate the maximum leads. So a better option would be that if you're new to TikTok ads completely, you can certainly look at using Smart Plus campaign, which is an automated campaign. And later on, once you gain experience with this platform, you can switch over to manual campaigns where you can set up everything yourself. So let's say we are starting off with manual campaign right now. So then we can start giving all the other details like the name of the campaign. Then you can decide whether you want to do a campaign level budget or an ad group level budget. Preferably, it's a better idea that we do an ad group level budget where we can give separate budgets for each of the ad groups. So we are not going to switch this on right now, and we move forward to the next level, which is going to be the ad group level, where we can give it a name first. And as you can see, the optimization is going to be for instant form, which is collecting leads from the forms which people would fill up on our website. Now it also gives you the placements where the ads will appear across TikTok search results. That is where the ad is going to appear. Targetings. So here you can now do your targetings, which can be location based, audience targetings, all of that we can do. So let's do that. So here you can add more in this manner. And then the age, selection, gender, language, all that we can set up here. Other than this, if you want to do interest and behavior, we can do that. So now TikTok gives you various interest level targeting, which we can do as well. So where you have under interest, there are various categories created. So now you can select the category most relevant to your business. Same way, purchase intention is going to be where these are those categories or audiences which TikTok had identified who have high purchase intention towards various products and categories like sports and outdoors, beauty and personal care, and so on and so forth. So now from here, you can select as well video interactions. So based on, so the amount of video content which is there on TikTok specifically, TikTok has gone ahead and broken that into various categories. So video interactions related to lifestyle, entertainment, nature, all that is there. Plus, if you click on the side arrow, that will open the subcategories as well from which you can select. Creator interactions. So based on creators' interactions, which they have had on the TikTok platform, various categories are created here as well, so which you can select as well. And the last is hashtag interactions. So any type of hashtags which have been used significantly on TikTok, those ones can be selected from here. So this is your audience and audience targeting, which is basically interest and behavior targeting, which you can set up in the TikTok ads campaign. And then you give your daily budget. So here we can give our daily budget. You can also give a lifetime budget if you want to, and then you can schedule your campaign when you want to start it. The last is going to be your target CPA bidding. So the bidding strategy which we are going to use here is going to be CPA bidding, where we want to set a certain cost which we want to pay for every lead which we generate. So this way you can keep a control on the amount of money you're spending on generating each lead. So like this, you can give a target CPA bidding set, which you can set. And if you want to do accelerated delivery, you can do that as well. This will make your ads run aggressively during a certain period. Okay. If you require that, then you can switch that on. So these are all the details which we're going to fill up at the ad group level. And after which you can continue and come to the last level, which is the ad level section, where you can start off with the ad name. Then you can go ahead and give the ad details right here. Okay. You can upload from here. If you're creating a specific image ad or a video ad, you can attach from here. You can add the music as well. And then we can give the text. You also have an option to give a call to action like buy now, shop now, all that you can do from here as well. And the destination of it will be a TikTok instant page, okay, where you have the form. You can also create the form as well right here, where you want to collect certain information from your users. So let's say we're using this particular form. Now this is where you can design the complete form yourself, where what we can do is we can give all the information. Okay, if you want to upload an image, you can add the questions over here. Otherwise, you can say complete. We will also have to provide the privacy policy link. Okay, we have to give the company name over here in this manner. And then have to provide the privacy policy page. So I'm just going to take the privacy policy page from my website. Most of the businesses which are running, they will have a privacy policy page, so which we can take and provide right here. In this manner, we can give the name. So once you provide all this information, then we can go ahead and create the form. So this is where you can give the headline as well. Apart from this, we'll also have to give some information regarding the final page. So now that we've provided all the information, then we can create the form. So this is the form which has been created now. The form has been created, and this now we can go ahead and submit this campaign, publish this campaign. We just need to attach the form over here. That is what we are doing. This is the form which we had created. Again, we are providing the information right here. Once you provide all the information, then you can build out the form. So the idea is that we have to have attach this form with our campaign, then the campaign will get created completely. So now you can see the form has been selected, added over here, and now you can publish this lead gen campaign. So this is how a lead gen campaign can get created inside the TikTok ads account, primarily for generating leads. So now the ads, when people see that on TikTok specifically, and if they click on it, they will come to the form where they will be asked to provide those information like their name and email address. And once they do so, that will get captured as a lead. I hope this makes sense. I hope you understand now how lead gen campaigns can be built out on the LinkedIn, on the TikTok ads platform. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much for listening to this, and I will see you in the next video.